In today's video, I'm going to show you a powerful strategy that you can use to start earning money online with CPA marketing. And if you are new to the channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. And also make sure to check out the first link in the description. It's going to bring you to this page where you can literally enroll for this mastery course and start earning passive income daily with CPA marketing. So basically the strategy I'm about to share with you in this video, you can use for any CPA network of your choice, be it Cpalead or Cpagrip.com. All right, so I'm taking Cpalead here as an example. All you need to do is to basically click on the sign up button right here. And once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page. And all you need to do is to enter your first name, last name, email address, and basically type in your password. And this is all you need to do to create an account. So once you create your account on Cpalead, your dashboard is going to look like this. And as you can see on your screen, you have access to various CPA offers that you can start promoting right away and start earning money. So the first thing you want to do is to basically look for this section that says search, and you want to type in gift card right here. Okay, so if you type in keyword like this right here, you are going to basically see all the gift card offers that are currently available on cpalead.com. And if you are using Cpagrip, all you just need to do is to basically come over to Cpagrip, and you want to come over to my offer section, and you want to change the country section to all countries, all categories, no stats, and you want to type in gift card right here. So basically once you do this, you are going to see all the gift card offers that are currently available on cpagrip.com. So basically once you find all these offers, you want to create a Google Doc file like this. All right, so this is where you want to type in something like enter all these gift cards for the best chance of winning. So basically, as you can see, this 750 PayPal gift card offer right here is currently available for United States and for Canada. So all you just need to do basically is to copy the link to the offer. As you can see, this offer is going to pay $1.29. As you can see, this offer is email submit and survey, which means all they need to do is to submit their email address and you make money. So all you need to do from here is to basically copy this link, and you want to come back to this Google Doc page, and you want to basically come over here and you want to basically highlight this. So once you highlight this, then you want to click on this link icon, and this is where you want to paste in the link to the CPA offer, and you want to click on apply. As you can see, this is very simple, and this is all you need to do to add as many offers as possible. Look for the offer, be it on Cpagrip, Cpalead, or whatever CPA network you want. Copy the link to the offer and paste it on this page. So once everything is done and everything is working, so the next thing we want to do now is to start driving traffic. And I'm going to show you the fastest way to start getting traffic if you don't have any money to spend on paid ads. So all you need to do is to basically come over to pinterest.com, and I'm going to show you people who are using this strategy and making money. So if I come over to the search bar and I type in something like Amazon gift card, all right, as you can see, these are the people who are currently ranking for this keyword on Pinterest. All right, so if I click on this account as an example, you can see right here, chance to win 750 PayPal gift card giveaway. Okay, and now you can see the person is even linking to a Google site landing page. All right, so if you click on this person profile right here, you can see this person has about 500 followers right here, and you can see they get over 60,000 monthly visits on their profile. You can see right here, this is the link they are promoting on their profile. So if I click on this link, as you can see, this is a CPA offer right here, 750 PayPal gift card. And I can tell you, this person getting over 60,000 monthly views on their profile, they are making thousands of dollars every single month doing this strategy. If this strategy was not working, then they won't continue posting content regularly on their profile. As you can see, they are posting the same picture over and over and over again because this strategy is working. All right, you can see this person does not even have a lot of followers at all, just about 500 followers, and they are getting thousands of views with free traffic. So basically, Pinterest still remains one of the best traffic sources you can get started with if you have no money to spend on paid ads. So basically, you just want to create a Pinterest account. So once you create your Pinterest account, all you just need to do is to basically come over to your profile right here, and you want to click on edit profile. So once you do that, you can see the about section. So just like the other account is doing, you want to write in something similar right here. So once you do that, then you want to paste in your landing page link right here. So we'll get to that in a moment. So basically, once you have your profile set up, all you just need to do from here is to basically go over to Canva to create content. So once you come over to Canva, you want to basically type in Pinterest pin right here. So once you type that, you want to click on this, and Canva is going to provide you with a lot of templates that you can use to start creating your pins right away. But basically, I prefer to create a custom template. So you want to click on this, create a blank Pinterest pin. So the next step is to basically go over to Google, and you want to type in something like 750 PayPal gift card. Okay, so once you type that right here, you are going to see a lot of images that you can download and use to promote this offer. Okay, so once you download any image you want, all you just need to do is to drop the image right here. Then the next step is to basically come over to this text section, and you want to drag this heading. So once you do this, you want to basically paste it in here, and you want to type in something like, all right, so once you type that right there, then you want to go to this element. You want to basically look for this square shape. Then you want to come over to this section right here, and you want to basically disable the fill of this shape. All right, so you want to paste it something like this. Then you want to come over to this border style. You want to basically increase the border style, all right, to something like a 14. You can come over to this border color, and let's give it a red so that it stands out, something like this. So as not to prolong this video, so all you just need to do is to drag another text right here. Then you want to create a new shape and type in something like win $750 PayPal gift card and enter to win. So this is all you need to do to create your Pinterest pin. So once all this is done, you want to come over to the share section, and you want to click on download. So once the pin is created, you want to basically come back to your Pinterest account, and you want to click on create pin. So once you do that, you'll be brought to this page, and all you just need to do is to basically upload the pin you created on Canva. And now once you upload the image, you want to type in a captivating title like this: best way to win 750 PayPal gift card. And you want to write in a short description like, if you want to win a free PayPal gift card, then click on the link below to get it now. All right, so once you do that, this is where you are going to be pasting a link to your landing page. And now we are going to create the landing page on Google Sites. As you can see, this is an example of a simple landing page you can create on Google Sites. And this is the landing page the Pinterest account I showed you earlier was using to promote this offer. As you can see, this account has been using this landing page since November 2022. And this is a very, very long time. And if they are still using this landing page, it means they are making money using this landing page. And keep in mind, Google Sites is available to use for absolutely free. So all you need to do is to basically come over to site.google.com, and you want to click on start a new site. So once you do that, you want to basically remove this header right here by deleting this. You want to click on this section that say add a header. And now for this section, you want to basically change the header type to title only. Okay, so once you do that, you want to basically highlight this, and you want to type in enter all these gift cards for the best chance of winning. All right, so once you type in something like this, the next step is to basically go back to this page, and you want to basically copy this text. All right, so basically once you paste in all the text right here, like I said earlier, you want to highlight this click here button, and you want to basically put in the link to that offer right there. Okay, so you want to make sure to do this for all of these offers right here. All right, so basically that's all you need to do. And also another extra thing you can do to even make your landing page convert even more is to add an image that resonates with that niche. So all you just need to do is to basically go over to Google, and you can type in something like free gift card banner images, and you are going to see a lot of them that you can use from Google, as you can see right here. So all you just need to do is to right click and copy the image address of that photo, and you want to come back to your Google site page, and all you just need to do is to double click on the screen, and you want to select these images. So once you do that, you want to come to link, and you want to paste in the Google link right here, and you want to click on insert image. So once you do that, as you can see, it's going to insert the image, and all you need to do is to put the image at the top right here before you show the offers. I hope that makes sense. Okay, so basically this is all you need to do to create your landing page, and you want to click on publish. So once you do that, you want to give your landing page a name. So once you give your landing page a name, you want to click on publish, and then once that is done, you want to click on this link right here, and you want to copy your landing page link. Then you want to go back to your Pinterest pin, and then you want to paste in the link right here. So before you publish this post, the final thing is to basically create a board. So once you do this, you want to click on this section that says create a board. So once you do that, you want to type in gift card giveaway. Okay, so once you do this, all you just need to do from here is to basically click on create. Now the final step is to click on save. So once you do that, now your pin is going to be live, and now this is all you need to do. As you can see, this is an account that is doing this regularly, putting in the work. So basically that is why they've been able to get a lot of views even though they have very little followers. So basically, this is how you want to also take advantage of Pinterest traffic and start making money today. So basically, if you find any value in this video, please drop a like on the video. I really appreciate it. And also make sure to click on any of the two videos on your screen right now for more ways to start earning money online. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace and love.